Hi, my name's Neil Clark, Chief Exec of IHF Digital. I'm always incredibly impressed with the predictive analytics, which then feed into predictive maintenance of technical aspects of the system. Pumps, sensors, systems, control rooms, they have more KPIs and more monitoring points than you care to think of. What surprises me even more though, however, is that we don't have the same thing for people. We don't do predictive maintenance on people. Part of the issue for this is it's incredibly difficult to monitor up until now. That's why here at IHF Digital we've built Baseline NC, a lightweight, unobtrusive, wearable device that allows us to support, monitor, and if required, maintain the people that exist within our systems. In my mind, there's no point in having a huge amount of predictive analytics and predictive maintenance on the technical aspect of our system and the engineering part of our system if we don't do the same for the most valuable and most vulnerable part of the system, our people.